Hello. This is Els coming to you from Beam's Crafty Corner, and I went Scaventure. Yep, I did. I put the Ami and the Hubber in the car, and I made them go Scaventure. So, I got a couple of things. So, what do we get? Where shall we start? Alright, I know. Let's start with what came in yesterday. Let's start with that. So yesterday, I got in some new crystals. Very pretty crystals. Yeah. I use these as spacers instead of seed beads. I don't know why. I just like them better. I think they put more sparkles and more pretties into stuff. So, I grabbed those. And I got bead caps, which I have to tell you are very hard to find in the regular store. But I got 2,000 bead caps for like $3. Yeah, so I got some bead caps. I use just one kind, so that works. And that's heavy because, yeah, that's really heavy. And I was able to get more chain, which helps because, now I can go do the stuff that I want to do. And then I got home and found out I actually had chain. So, stupid Scaventure. I got some new beads. Let's see. We got these ones, which are really pretty. They have like little roses in them. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. And I got some of these like clear, deep blood red ones because I got something I want to work with those. And then I found these, and I was waiting for these to come in. These are like faux turquoise. They're red and faux turquoise, and they're really cool. And so I grabbed those, and I got those. So what else did I get today? So I went to the Scaventure. Went to the Dollar Tree. Nothing. Nada, zip, no. Nothing at the Dollar Tree. Total wipeout. But I did go over and I saw the lady that I used to buy stuff from, and she didn't have a whole lot for me, but I did get these. So, everybody knows about my Xyron and my love of Xyron. And so I got 2 Xyrons. This one does up to 3-inch wide stickers. And it's purple, which means it's permanent adhesive. So it's just a little portable box, and you can put stuff in the back, pull it out the front, and it makes it a sticker. This is this one here is a disposable one. It's a non-refillable that you recycle. But that's kind of cool because that means, when I go on the road, I can take a Xyron with me and have a sticker maker with me, for making up to 3-inch stickers. And that's plenty for, putting backs onto journaling cards and stuff. So that's a good one. And then I got this one, which is also permanent. It's 20 feet. It's brand new. This is the Teresa Collins Xyron. It is Xyron. It's just made for Teresa Collins. So it's pink. And this one makes stickers up to 2 inches, which is really cool. So I got this one. And again, this is a permanent adhesive, not the repositionable. This is the permanent one. And it's brand new, and it's in the box, and I thought that was cool. So I grabbed those. And I found these, and I said, you know what? My ladies have got to have these. These are the big double-size raffle tickets. So I got a bunch of those. I got a roll. Yeah, I found a whole roll of them. We shall see what we will do with them. And I found some of these. Now, these are not a brand name. I don't see a brand name on them anywhere. They do have the little flips at the front. And, if you've watched my channel, you know that I use these for washi storage. So let's see if we have a roll of washi tape anywhere. First time in history I don't. Well, I guess I'll have to get out a roll of washi tape. So we'll get out one of the bigger rolls. And we'll see if this one fits. Beautiful. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Fits in there. I can see all my washi tape. I can take these out if I want to and just have rows of washi tape. I like it. And I found 2 of them. They're nice and deep. They hold all my washi tape, and they fit right here on my shelf next to my desk, so I can pull it out and I can just, you know, look right through the lid, see all the washi tape that I have. This is a great way to store your washi tape because it lets you see your washi tape. You know, and if you've got a couple of them, you can do like this half of the box is all like your kid type washi tape, and this half is like all your flowers, and you can do one that's like all your vintage stuff. So I really like these, and so I've got, you know, now I've got 4 of them, and I have the space for them, so, you know, we'll be putting those over there. What else did I find in my Scaventure today? Oh, so a while back, about a week or so ago, Tina was late night. She was doing a thing, and she got some markers that she bought on Black Friday. She doesn't like the case. And it's kind of a soft case, and so she doesn't like it. So I've been trying to figure out a way to make some kind of storage for her that, you know, she can see her markers, that she can move it around, and that they can be, you know, laying flat, because right now she has them standing up in the case. And so I found this today at the store, and at first I thought this was like for the old floppy disks, and then I opened it up and I pulled one out and I realized these are not big enough for old floppy disks, really. And they're Tyvek. And then there's also some in here that are like this, that are like chipboard, like thin chipboard, more Tyvek. Some that are just like regular paper back here. There's a couple that are just regular paper. There's some that are Tyvek. And I was gonna do what I usually do, which is take all of these out and then donate the box back. And then I looked at the box and I went, wait a minute. Let me get these out of here. I said, wait a minute. This might be the answer to Tina's storage for her markers. If I can take these out, which I believe I can, and I can flip them the other way, then she could take this and stand it up and be able to open it and have all of her markers in it. I mean, as it is right now, she could do that this way, and it actually sits up a little higher, but see, it doesn't really, there's nothing to stop it from going back. So, but I thought, that would be cool to put Tina's markers in, you know, because she could put like all of her yellows and oranges here, and all of her reds and pinks in here, and all of her blues, and all of her greens, and all of her purples, and like all of her blacks and whites. So I thought this might be, you know, a really good idea for her. Even if I just take this piece off, you know, just take the bottom piece off and just make it like a stand-up rack, which I might do. But she was looking for something to store her markers, and I was trying to figure out something for her. And so I might be doing a project where I convert this into marker storage. Yeah. What do you think? Might work, right? So I'll work on that, see if I can figure that project out. But I decided to keep the box. If it doesn't work out, I can just redonate it, you know. If it does work out, then fantastic. I will put it in the mail and get it off to Tina so she can, you know, have her markers. I just have to figure out how to get those things out. It looks like they're just kind of snapped in there. So if I can get them out and flip them around, that will work. Yeah. All right, so that's it. That's what I got on Scaventure today. I am going to Scaventure tomorrow because Amy needs some magazines. So we're going to be going and doing some Scaventuring tomorrow at three of our favorite Scaventure spots. And I might go to Goat Feathers. So that's it. Listen, if you're new here and this is the first time you've ever stopped by, do me a favor, hit that red button for me, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends, and before you know it, we have a crafting community. Until the next time, guys, stay safe. Bye-bye.